Hey there, did you have a nice ride? You didn't fall off, which is a good start. Oh. I hope I don't fall and die getting down from here. Oh well, let's see if this works. Ahoy hoy! Welcome back to dbtv. Today I'm out doing bits in the 936. Ploughing bits in fact. I've got the Vernon on the back with the press. You can probably see. I don't know if I move out of the way you might be able to see. And yeah, it's going alright. It's a little bit tacky in places, but we're pulling through. So it's good. It's very miserable and bleak. Fog's rolling in off the sea, pretty standard in these parts this time of year. But other than that, it's not raining, so happy days. So here she is guys, the 936, aka the Neuf Trois Six if you're French, aka Big Squash'ems because of her big squashy tyres. I just thought I'd give you a little look at her. I'm just about to drop the plough off and go put the trailer on. Here's the plough. It's a Vernon Variomat LO 7-furrow mounted plough, vary width. So far it's been alright. I'm still getting used to it, but yeah, it's a nice setup, that's for certain. Definitely doing bits. Anyway, that's the plough and the tractor. Time to go put the trailer on for sugar beet. And as if by magic, we're going carting sugar beet. Right then. Good afternoon everybody, and you join me back in the 936 with the money trailer on the back, and we are carting a little bit of sugar beet. is where we're tipping the beet at the moment. Here comes Robbie with the loading shovel. Yeah, it's travelling alright, to be honest with you. Bit of a mess, but it'll be alright. Ahoy hoy people! Welcome back. It's Tuesday morning, Tuesday the 26th now, and shock horror, I'm ploughing. Already I was carting sugar beet on Saturday. The eagle-eyed of you will probably notice that trailer extension is on the wrong side, and we're loading over the top of it, and you'll see the occasional beet go woo, woo, over the other side. That's because generally we've never carted off a roper for Russells. It was just because of the long cart, and normally when we're carting off the other harvester, Dean's harvester has a you unload from the other side, hence the reason why the trailer extension is that side. I'm sure if you ask Dean, he'll tell you that I spill them anyway, whether the extension's on that side or not. Yeah, you have to let me know in the comments if there's anything in particular you'd like to see. I am planning on getting one of those head mounts for the GoPro. For a bit of POV. I know sometimes there's a potential that they can make me feel a bit sick, but if people are interested how I use the controls and what it's more like from where I'm sitting, then let me know, and I'll get a head strap and I'll film a video going of me driving and what I've got set up on the controls. I'm not saying that what I've got set up is correct or the right way to do it, but that's how I do it, and if people are interested to see how I want to do it, then I shall show you. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It'd be much appreciated. Until next time, keep doing bits, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.